Welcome back to fame. Sure, your family. If you are new, welcome. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. So guys, if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming into this huge family that is called Queeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeeee subscribers, about 1.77, something like that. So guys, for you guys that are new, in order to join this family, you must click this red button somewhere here below and kindly subscribe, kindly hit the bell notifications so that you cannot miss my weekly uploads. Okay guys, as you saw from the title of this video, and as you saw from the thumbnail, this video will be a vlog to Makoloane. You know, it's January, so automatically when it's January on our homes as Basotho, to honor the initiation school, we close it up with Makoloane, whereby we see okay. Okay guys, sorry for that. So as I was saying, is that as Basotho, to honor Sesotho, we close up with Makoloane. It's whereby the boy who went to initiation school come back and sing at home. You know, it's so nice guys, it's so nice. So I'm going into that kind of gathering, so I hope you want to enjoy, because I'm gonna vlog each and everything that is happening there. But I'm so worried that my battery would die at some point, because right now I'm sitting at 85% and we don't have electricity. So you guys, I'm so gonna vlog each and everything. Just stay with me and stay tuned, because this vlog is going to be exciting. As I don't know what to say, but it's going to be groundbreaking. That's the word. It's going to be groundbreaking. So you can follow me on TikTok, and can also follow me on Instagram, and on Twitter is at kekeletsoqhali. It's different on Twitter, it's kekeletsoqhali only. So please kindly stick with me in this vlog, because it's so gonna be appetizing. It's so gonna be, I get to so let me go bath, because right now I'm still looking crusty. I haven't bathed, but let me go bath, and then when I come back, it's a vlog. Like we are vlogging the entire day of today. So yeah, stay tuned. Hi, what's up guys? I'm just done bathing, and right now I'm on my way to the transport, to the car, you know. But I just forgot about everything, because I was a bit late, and then but it's somewhere, so I have to just hurry up and get there. So that's why I didn't vlog whenever I'm done bathing. You know, even right now I'm still panicking, because those people are just there waiting for me, and I'm still busy vlogging here with you. So yeah, I'm on my way right now to the event, and it's gonna be groundbreaking, trust me or not. And yeah, just I'm gonna take you through, you know. I hope right now you see the difference between me being not bathed and me after bathing. So enjoy. Hopefully I will, yeah, I put it on a very dope outfit, so hopefully I'm going to put the snaps of this outfit somewhere here below, just to see me the way I'm bathed. Yeah, you see, something of fail. It's okay, bro. Eh? Oh, Ndere batho ha re se.
Yeah.
O tsa batsela ha yena. Wa ka. O tsa malama. Tshwara pula. Tshwara pula.
Ya.
Yo, ka mokgwa o sa jeng ha wena.
Mama ka se ka thela.
Nka video. I ke ba se. That is the bus. How to tshwarella, o tshwarella ke go tshwarele ngwana. Ke go tshwarele ngwana. Sure. Okay guys, ya go palama wa jaba. Go palama, and re tsere shebile ba so iska ba se. So, ke tlo ba bona ha se re le ga mafole. Tlo le bona se re le ga mafole ba fethu. Shebeletse Makoloane. La bona. Eh? Eh, ya pause ra. Pause za le pele ke photo sono. Ke video da. Yes, up guys, re tsere le tseleng so le ka tla le bontsha ga ra tsamaya ha jwa. Hi, what up guys? We just arrived, but we're getting a bit lost because yeah, ke sebaka se senaleng major also if you know man Fletcher you know Ramaful. So hey, we're just loitering around and asking people about the event, and stuff, but we are still cruising nicely and we just arrived. Yeah, we just arrived, I can say that. So I'm gonna keep you updated with everything that is happening in the event. So yeah, still cruising nicely. There's nothing. Kindly please do not forget to subscribe because it's getting late. See you again. Oh, I can't fit. I'm trying to get it. Hey you guys, we're a few minutes away. I'm so tired, you know. I'm so tired. It's not a child's play, but obviously it's home, so I'm kindly used to this, and yeah, it's gonna happen. So we are just a few minutes away to arrive at the event, and it's gonna be ground. Remember, I promised, but right now my battery, it's like, yeah, little bit, but like it felt like a battery phone. Promise me, I'm going to vlog each and everything that is going to happen. Obviously, you can see the background. It's interesting. It's gonna have a subscribe by here. Don't you ever forget to subscribe. Hell a bit tired. So yeah, let me take a selfie for the thumbnail of this video. What's up, you guys? I just came back and I didn't vlog a lot of things, you know, simply because of my battery. My battery was about to die, so couldn't vlog a lot of things. But right now I'm heading back home, so if it's there in electricity, I'm going to update you about the day and how my day went, you know. So I'm just chilled and listen, man, get on.